Say it, geek.
It's videoing. What are you gonna say to it?
Hey! What it do, baby?
No, you do it.
You do it. Come on, do it for the vlog. What it do, baby? Yeah. What it do, baby? What it do, baby? What it do?
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. The heat, it feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer. You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. The heat, I feel like summer. She feel like summer. This feel like summer. I feel like summer. 7 billion souls that move around the sun, growing faster, faster, not a chance to slow down. Slow down. Men who made machines that want what they desire. Parents trying to tell the children, please slow down. Slow down. I know. I know you know my pain. I'm hoping that this world will change, but it just seems the same. You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. The heat, it feels like summer.
Hello. It is still raining, and we are in the pool catching some rain rays, having a blast. It's our second to last day, so if you can't tell, we're making the most of it. Anything else? Bruh.
John Tanner, what's happening?
What?
What's happening?
I mean,
It's storming. I think we'll be fine.
it's so
I'm not
windy.
moving.
It's hard to tell.
I'm not moving. I'm sitting right here.
I'm sitting right here. I think we should
Look, Bubber, come here.
Look at your hair. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. The stairs.
Smile.
Oh my god. It's raining. I'm running.
What do you think about the rain?
Play on the radio. It's cold. And freezing. And windy. And if I just look this up.
Bro, that scares me. That can be exciting.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm holding with my third finger. Look at this.
It's pouring. Wait, come over here.
Those people are so stupid.
Wait, I just want to show the rain. Hold on, I just want to try to show the rain really quick. Oh, dang it. Okay, yeah, say something. It is currently partly cloudy, a 110% chance of rain here in Destin.
wet out here. And we will update y'all if it clears up, but I highly doubt it.
Let's hope.
Let's hope there are no sharks.
Guys, stop kicking. If we see a fin, just think it's a dolphin. What's your favorite topping on a pizza?
Pepperoni. What's yours?
What?
What's your favorite topping?
Pepperoni.
Oh
Yeah, boy.
So what is that? What is that? Didn't say it right.